Hello guys, in today's digital world, the term digital creator is becoming more and more popular. You may have heard it a lot on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But what exactly is a digital creator? Today, in this video, we're going to answer this question: what is a digital creator? In simple words, a digital creator is a person who creates content and publish it on online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and many more. Whether it's creating engaging videos, writing informational blog posts, or designing eye-catching graphics, digital creators are the creative minds behind the content we consume on the internet. Think of them as modern-day artists. So, remember, every amazing thing you see online? It's the work of a digital creator. Let that be your motivation. You can create amazing things too. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.